8 secrets to a healthy old age, strong body, sharp mind, and disease-free life after 60. Hello, friends. Attia, I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, we will talk about how it is possible to spend your old age in good health. As we grow older, there are 3 main fears that often trouble us. 1. Will we become physically weak as we age? 2. Will our mental capabilities decline to the point where we become dependent on others? 3. Will we become bedridden? These fears usually arise when we cross the age of 50 and move toward old age. However, in this video I will share some simple habits with you that, if adopted, can not only strengthen your mind, but also your body, keeping you free from diseases. 1. Nutrition. The first habit or secret for healthy aging is making a fundamental change in your diet. You need to choose foods rich in fiber, protein, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Why? Because as we age, our metabolism slows down. That means your body needs less energy, but more nutrition. So include foods in your diet that are high in nutrition, but not necessarily high in calories. 2. Physical activity. Think about how children are always running around, which helps build their muscles. In contrast, older people often sit for long periods, which causes muscle mass to decrease, a serious problem. To avoid this, try to engage in at least 30 minutes of walking, light exercise, or yoga daily. This will keep your muscles and joints strong and improve your heart health. 3. Bone health. After age 50, bones begin to weaken, especially in women due to conditions like osteoporosis. 3 things are vital to prevent this: calcium intake, vitamin D, weight-bearing exercises. Good sources of calcium include milk, yogurt, sesame seeds, and leafy green vegetables. For vitamin D, either take supplements or get 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight daily. You don't need a gym. You can do weight-bearing exercises at home twice a week using dumbbells or other objects. For brain health, while your body ages, your memory doesn't have to decline. Memory weakens because people stop learning new things and just keep repeating what they already know. To keep your brain sharp and prevent memory loss or dementia, regularly challenge yourself by playing strategy games like chess, engaging in conversations on different topics, learning one new thing every week or 2. 5. Prevent major illnesses as people age. Many are hospitalized due to heart attacks, strokes, or poorly managed diabetes. To avoid this, have regular checkups with your doctor. Use natural remedies like garlic, Indian gooseberry, fenugreek seeds, turmeric water. Avoid excessive intake of salty foods, sweets, and fried foods. 6. Sleep. Good quality sleep is essential for both mental and physical repair. Tips for better sleep. Avoid coffee or soft drinks 2 to 3 hours before bed. Have a fixed sleep and wake schedule. Turn off TV, laptops, and mobile devices 1 hour before sleeping. Keep dinner light. Avoid drinking too much water right before bed. Maintain a cool, quiet, and dark sleep environment. Reserve your bed for sleep only. Avoid using it during the day. Consider a warm shower before bed to improve sleep quality. 7. Avoid loneliness. Loneliness increases the risk of heart disease, depression, and anxiety. On the other hand, socializing helps prevent these issues. Spend time with friends, join family gatherings, or participate in community events or group activities. Talking to people of your age group can reduce daily stress and anxiety. This also improves your sleep, blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol, protecting your heart. 8. Preventive health measures. Prevention is better than cure. Get these tests done every 6 to 12 months. Blood sugar, blood pressure, fasting, lipid profile, liver and kidney function tests, ECG and echocardiogram for heart health, vitamin D and B12 levels. If you're over 60, colonoscopy every 1 to 3 years. So the takeaway is, old age is not a weakness, it's a strength. You have experience, money, and freedom at this stage of life. If you stay healthy, you can enjoy this phase like never before. Before, you may have been busy with work, kids, and financial struggles. But now, you have the chance to truly enjoy life. And that's only possible if you're healthy. So watch this video completely, understand it, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. Take care of yourself and your family. May Allah protect you and your loved ones from every illness, hardship, and misfortune.